How do you capture mobile worker performance? My company, Oversight Inc., offers a variety of software solutions that use smartphones to record the actions and observations of mobile workers. Each solution uses cloud-based software and a separate data collection app installed on the phone. The cloud-based software is used by the client to specify exactly what potential actions and observations are required. For many of these tasks, we use weatherproof near-field communication tags to mark the locations. These tags cannot be copied and provide an easy way for the worker to confirm performance. The setup also includes a drop-down list to make it easy for the workers to record observations. To determine what mobile worker performed the activity, the client assigns each potential worker a unique PIN. The client may modify their setup at any time. Once the setup is completed, it is used to load the data collection app itself. The next step is to install the data collection app on one or more of the smartphones that will be used by the mobile workers. The app can be installed on either Android or Apple devices. The installed app will automatically include the latest setup information. At this point, the worker will enter their PIN and begin to record their actions and observations. Those include the who, the what, when, and where for each and every action or observation. Additionally, the worker can record and send notes and pictures to better explain the status. At the completion of their work, the collected data is sent to the cloud-based software. At that point, alerts and reports are immediately available. The service will send alerts if critical actions are performed or not performed. For more information, please check out our website at oversight-inc.com.